The Q really is greater than the sum of its parts. I'm joined now by Tiina Herlevi, Director of Manufacturing. Tiina.
Hi, Mikko.
You must know that this beast has been the key discussion point with our customers and dealers for the past 5 years.
Oh, yes.
And here it is built now in our brand home in Suolahti, Finland. And it took a really long time, but we really wanted to make it perfect. What does the made in Finland really mean to you?
Good question, Mikko. Let me think. I think it means quality, homemade with love, and once more quality. To be honest, we're extremely proud to build the Q Series here in Suolahti, combining a world-class engine made also in Finland, as we know, with a world-class driveline and our world-class cabin to produce a state-of-the-art tractor. I'm also excited to say that our new paint shop is well underway. The brand new transmission test bench is already running, and a wide set of modern electric torque tools are just being installed as we speak. I know that a large part of the favorable total cost of ownership for the Q Series is due to uptime and high quality. And this is exactly what we focus on, and I want to give a big shout out to our amazing manufacturing team in Suolahti, who, by the way, have been a seamless part of this project all along. And by the way, we also care a lot about sustainable production. Producing high quality tractors, employee safety and well-being are of course our key focus area, but at the same time we continuously work on reducing our carbon footprint. For example, last year, the entire factory was operated on 100% renewable energy, and all engines from forklifts to the first fill on the tractors ran either on electricity or Neste My renewable diesel. But Mikko, do you know how we make sure that we really bring value to our customers with the new Q Series?
Let's hear.
We're probably the most flexible tractor plant on the planet. We can tailor the perfect tractor for every customer, and for the most demanding customers, we have our unlimited studio. And Mikko, did you know that more than 30% of our tractors already today are fitted with unlimited equipment? And I expect that most of the Q Series will have unlimited tailoring on them.
Spot on. The Q really is your working machine. All Q tractors will be connected, and every single one will be smart and full of precision farming technology.